How to invest in shares in India online for beginners. The dairy industry plays an important role in the socio-economic development of India. The dairy industry in India is instrumental in providing cheap nutritional food to the vast population of India and also generates huge employment opportunities for people in rural places. The Department of Animal Husbandry, Dairying and Fisheries, which falls under the Central Ministry of Agriculture, is responsible for all the matters relating to dairy development in the country. This department provides advice to the state governments and union territories in formulating programs and policies for dairy development. It also looks after all the matters relating to production and preservation of livestock farms. To keep focus on the dairy industry, a premier institution known as the National Dairy Development Board was established. This institution is a statutory body that was established in 1987. The main aim to set up the board was to accelerate the pace of dairy development in the country and attract new investments. India is a wonderland for investors looking for investment opportunities in the dairy industry. The dairy industry holds great potential for investment in India and promises high returns to the investors. The Indian cattle yield less milk as compared to their foreign counterparts. The Indian cattle breeders are on the lookout for ways to improve their milk yield through crossbreeding. Thus, there is a huge potential available for foreign investors to invest in dairy cattle breeding of high-quality buffaloes with hybrid cows. There is also great scope for investment in different dairy cultures, including dairy biologics, enzymes, probiotics, and other coloring materials for food processing. Producing biopreservative ingredients based on dairy fermentation such as pedioxin, achiophyllin, bulgaricin, and nisin contained in dairy powder also promise great investment opportunity. There is a tremendous investment opportunity for foreign investors in the manufacturing of both machinery and packaging materials that aid the development of brand loyalty and gives it a clear edge in the marketing of dairy products. Several ingredients are involved in the making of different dairy products like ghee, condensed milk, and cheese. Manufacturing of ingredients for these products offers a great potential for foreign investment in India. There is a great opportunity for foreign investors to invest in establishing manufacturing units for dairy products. The investors can build world-class manufacturing units and let them for hire. Building manufacturing units supports specialized dairy-related activities such as cheese slicing, cheese packaging, butter printing, and icing lines, which hold greater potential over other activities. Thus, the dairy industry in India has huge investment opportunities in a variety of sectors. The investors are all set to gain profitable returns on their investment.